There's if you want to change the standard puller, this is we call standard puller, okay? If you want to change the standard puller to be middle puller, or we say this puller is a flat puller, then you must change the vibrator. Change this vibrator, okay? And also should change this channel. Change this channel to be this model, okay? And also here you should change the standard puller to be middle puller. So after you choose middle puller, then you also should connect the air pipe. Look at this is a 101 and 0.01. Here also 101.01. Okay, connect this pipe to be here. And take this blue color pipe 101.02 to be here. And this one 101.02 to be here. This is one is the air come in, another one is the air come out, okay? In and out for the cylinder, okay? And just take this 3 pipe to this cylinder, it's enough, okay? Now we are going to change the middle puller to the flat to the standard puller. So first remember change this to be standard puller, okay? And then change the pipe. This cylinder is for the standard puller. Okay, and beside these two, they have another 2 air pipe, okay? But these two, it's no need use for this one. Okay, I'd like to mention one thing again. For the middle puller, this cylinder just need 1 cylinder, okay? So that is why just now we just connected 2 pipe. But for the standard puller, you need 2 cylinder, 1, 2. Okay, 2 cylinder. So you see here, the outside still have the air pipe. So when you change the standard puller to the middle puller, you should use this to stop the air. I mean, put this air stop pipe, okay, connector, and stop the air come out from here. It means you just need 1 piece cylinder, okay? So that is the things about how to change the standard puller to be the middle puller. Okay, thank you.